Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the volume of a video clip inside CapCut. Basically, I've got this brand new video that I'm going to put onto the channel. I'm editing it at the moment, but I want to change the volume. I'll play it for you right now so we can see what level it's at. It's free, by the way. Go to Google, type in, it's quite loud. So what you can actually do in here is click the video file, and it gives you the option to play around with the volume of the audio right here. You can actually decrease it. Let's go and decrease it to that level. Free, by the way. Go to Google, type in pixel cut. So much lower that you can hear. You can even turn it all the way off or turn it to its highest maximum setting. From there, you can also do this manually by going up to the top right. Make sure that you've clicked on the video file, and then you can go to the audio section and actually start playing around with the manually with the setting right there. Turn it down or up as you wish. From there, what you can also do is control. I'm using a Mac, so I'm pressing Control, click on the video file, and then it's basically going to extract audio, so you can separate the video from the audio file. Click into the audio file there, and you've got much more of a range here to start playing around with the different levels of volume. So anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.